Welcome to your favorite channel. Today we are going to talk about the 10 best platforms to sell your ebook. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell button for more updates. Ebook is an electronic version of a printed book that can be read on a computer or a specifically designed handheld device. Some are very good at writing ebooks, but after writing find it difficult to market their ebooks to the right audience. So in this video, we are going to explain some platforms to sell your ebook. You can't afford to miss any, so watch and enjoy to the end. Number 1. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is a free and simple way for authors to publish their books worldwide and keep control over their work. This online publisher allows writers to distribute their work independently with Kindle Direct Publishing on the Amazon Kindle store. Writers have control over their work and can make use of the multiple language option. Publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and ebooks can be made available on Kindle devices and on free Kindle applications. Number 2. Google Play. If you want to make your ebooks available on the Android platform, Google Play is a better place you should consider. Google Play helps developers grow their business by providing easy access to billions of users. Google Play partners with writers to provide access to many active monthly users. With over 1 billion users, you're bound to make a great impact with your ebook here. Getting set up is easy and pretty simple. You can easily sign up, upload your content, set your price, and begin promoting your ebook to the whole world. Number 3. Payhip. Payhip is another e-commerce platform that enables writers to sell ebooks directly to their social media followers, Facebook fans, and Twitter followers, or their website using a link for the ebook page. Payhip provides access to tools for setting up mailing lists so customers can subscribe and stay up to date. The site provides a free and simple method of selling your ebook without taking from your profits. After signing up for a free account, you will be asked to provide your PayPal information. Payhip charges 5% for every transaction and will charge it after payment is made to the writer. The ebook publisher does not require setup fees, does not charge monthly fees and hosting fees. Number 4. Blurb. Blurb is a self-publishing website that allows writers to create, self-publish, promote, share, and sell their own ebooks. The platform provides free software for PC or Mac and makes an online ebook creator available for users. The site has online editing tools that help publishers create a graphically rich ebook for the iPad and charges a token of $9.99 for every ebook made. Blurb authors can also take advantage of the free online marketing tools. Writers retain 80% of their selling cost with ebooks. Number 5. Lulu. By publishing with Lulu, you can control how your work is printed and distributed. You can choose to only sell hardcover copies, or you can opt to sell a digital version for Nook, Kindle, and iBook. Lulu is a self-publishing, printing, and distribution service with a broad network that allows writers to reach more readers. The company's network includes iBookstore and Nook. Lulu provides a few ways to create an ebook and their respective prices. The Assistant, $99. The Insider, $139. The Amplifier, $219. Do It Yourself, free, and the GoPro option. Writers keep full creative and copyright control, establish their own price, and retain up to 90% of their profits every time an ebook is sold. Creators have the choice to obtain expert assistance with cover design, editing, and formatting, as well as marketing and publishing. Number 6. My Ebook. My Ebook allows users to create, publish, and share digital content online. This free service lets users publish their ebooks in a single button, as well as include links and embed videos, audio documents, and images to make ebooks that are completely interactive. Once the ebook is done, it can be published publicly or privately and can be set to whether readers or viewers can add comments or share the material. After it is published, the ebook is added to the site library, where it can be shared across social networks or embedded at other sites. Number 7. Tradebit. Tradebit is a platform that enables users to publish and sell digital products like ebooks, music, and pictures. It includes 10 gigabytes storage, and allows writers to upload and present. Whether writers have a single MS Word file or countless products to sell, Tradebit can provide the requisites that writers and publishers need in order to get their ebook out to the public. The platform also offers state-of-the-art marketing tools for authors to improve the reach of their work. Number 8. CreateSpace. A potentially nice benefit of using CreateSpace is that you can create a branded online CreateSpace e-store to sell your book. It's fast and easy to set up. CreateSpace is a self-publishing website that provides authors with free tools to assist them in publishing their ebook and distribute it to online stores like Amazon and Kindle. A member of the Amazon group of companies, CreateSpace offers free and easy tools such as Interior Reviewer, Cover Creator, Preview and Image Gallery to help writers complete all aspects related to ebook publishing. There are no membership or title setup fees. Royalty model is flexible to put authors in control. Plus, a non-exclusive agreement keeps prospects and distribution options open. Number 9. BookBaby. With its ultra-fast turnaround times, it can ship 500 yearbooks in 7 days. BookBaby is a self-publishing platform that digitally distributes written materials from independent authors and publishers and makes ebooks available to all major digital retailers. BookBaby has 3 publishing packages writers and publishers can choose from. The free package, which costs nothing, requires a writer to submit the final EPUB file that will be distributed to retail partners such as Amazon and Barnes & Noble. The standard package, priced at $99, includes EPUB file conversion, proof, global distribution, and others. The premium package, which costs $249, includes EPUB file conversion, proof, worldwide distribution, and others. Writers keep 85% of net sales. With the help of a self-publishing company, ebook authors can complete the process of creating, converting, and publishing content into digital form. Plus, authors usually retain complete control of the planning, editing, publishing, and marketing process. Furthermore, authors typically retain all rights to self-published books. Through self-publishing, writers have become empowered in numerous ways, while also leaving the door open to the more conventional means of publishing their material should they decide to pursue them. Number 10. EBooklt. A wonderfully simple, spectacular, and free website hosting solution for authors. EBooklt provides countless authors and publishers with the ability to convert, publish, promote, and distribute ebooks to principal retailers like Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Apple, Sony, and Ingram. Members who sign up will need to convert the file into the appropriate one, upload their material and the cover image, enter basic details about the ebook, and then pay $149 per title as a one-time formatting, conversion, and distribution setup fee. This is the end of today's video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like the video, and click the bell button to keep you updated on our future videos.